All right, go.
Both the black horn button and the ivory horn button. 2 inches in the front, you get about 3 in the rear on this. Our dog has something to say about it too. Drilling holes or whatever for the tub to fit on these frames. They're already pre-fit for you. You put them through the test, so. Hey guys, it's John at Jeepsterman. Today we're going to talk about the MB body tub. We'll talk about the kit and the regular body. We have one out on display here, so we'll just show it real quick so you can see it. These are MB1 body tub kits that we sell that you can find on our website. This one here is like the later composite style. All right, the later composite style, those are not scripted, so there's no script on the back. Those would be like the earlier styles that have that. You can see these come in red primer. They're 16 gauge and 18 gauge steel. Uses galvanneal, which is a corrosion resistant steel, which is really nice. Keeps these things from rusting. You can see this has the indents and stuff for the tools, the axe and shovel. Let's kind of get a look at the floor in there. You can see these have all the brackets that you would find on the MBs and GPWs. Got the sump and everything. The floor is designed for a T84. We can get these designed for a T90 by special order. We get questions about the dash, if the holes are drilled. Yes, the holes are drilled there for the dash. You can see the glove box. See all the braces, everything in there. It's supposed to be in there. Floor hole cover, holes for the clutch and brake pedal and such. You can see all the brackets in the back, wheel wells. So the let's look at the front over here. Here's the front firewall. We get questions about that as well. You can see that pretty much all the holes are drilled for that. Typically, you will have to drill holes to mount these body tubs to your chassis. They don't typically pre-drill those if you don't order a chassis, because you know, chassis and tubs can differ a little bit and they need to be lined up, so you would drill your holes for that. We'll show, so the kit, you know, you can buy just the body tub you see here, or you can buy a kit. The kit comes with 2 fenders, so these are wrapped in plastic. Comes with a driver and passenger side fender. All right, comes with the windshield frame. You can see over here, here's the windshield frame. Also has the inner windshield frame, has the brackets and such on it, and also comes with some of the cowl rubber that I see there. The hood, it also comes with that. I already have the hood in the back of my truck, so if you get the body tub kit, it comes with the hood. All right, and you can see the grill in there. All right, it's got the, it's not the slat grill, but this is the MB grill, the later 9 grill or 9 slot one. We can get earlier slat grills if you want them. And we'll come over here. And like I said, here's the other fender that it comes with. So, in all, you know, we show the body tub. Here's the passenger side. You can see no indents on these sides on that. But you can find all of these on our website. Some of these can be special ordered. You can get MB, GPWs, we can get 2As, all of those. We can get scripted, slat grills, later composites, any of that stuff that you want to order. You can find all this stuff on the Jeepsterman.com. If you've got questions, you can email us, sales@thejeepsterman.com. Phone number is 314-798-6462. And thanks for watching our video. And if you've got any questions, let us know. Thanks.
Good job, John.
Fired right up.
Good job.
No, he's tapping.
Oh my God. Terrible. Terrible.
What?